Hey friends, it's Dr. Priyal from FitFab with Food. Today I'm showing you how I make my Ezekiel flour blend in bulk right at home using my Nutrimill Grain Mill. And stay tuned till the end. I will share how you can enter my Nutrimill holiday giveaway. I start by mixing the larger grains first: hard white wheat, spelt, and barley. These are similar in size, so they grind evenly together. I grind my flour fresh because once grains are milled, the natural oils and vitamins start to break down quickly. Fresh milled flour keeps the nutrients like B vitamins, fiber, and healthy fats intact. Plus, it just tastes better. You can smell the difference the moment it comes out of the mill. I run this first batch through the Nutrimill on setting 2. I love Nutrimill because it grinds the grains super fast and fine, which is perfect for softer, lighter flour textures. And it's powerful enough to handle everything from wheat and spelt to beans and lentils. Plus, it's easy to clean and holds a good size batch. It's also very portable. The flour comes out soft, light, and smells incredible already. If you have been thinking about getting a Nutrimill this holiday season, just stay tuned. I have something very exciting coming up. I will announce it soon at the end of this video. Next, I add millet and lentils. I tried grinding them on setting 1, but they didn't pass through easily. Setting 2 worked perfectly. Then I added this flour to the first batch. Finally, I grind the beans, both white and kidney beans. I start around setting 5, but when it slows down, I adjust the knob back and forth until they go through smoothly. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. If you're interested, you can also check out the recipe for delicious Ezekiel bread on my channel FitFab with Food. Once everything is milled, I combine it all into one big bowl. The flour smells so fresh. You can really tell the difference compared to the store-bought. This ancient combination of grains and legumes makes a complete plant-based protein, rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. I store the extra flour in airtight containers in the freezer and use it as needed. Fresh milled flour stays flavorful and nutritious for months in the freezer. Now get ready for my very exciting announcement.
I'm Dr. Priyal. I'm so excited to partner with Nutrimill for a holiday giveaway. One of you will get chance to win a brand new Nutrimill Impact Mill.